Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving deep into the world of finance as we build a multi-currency exchange platform using Java. We'll cover everything from design principles to implementation, and even how to handle real-world challenges. So buckle up and let's get started. First things first, let's outline our project structure. We'll be building a simple console-based application for this tutorial, which will later enhance into a web-based platform. Here is how our project structure will look. 1. src/. This will contain all our Java source files. 2. Models/. Here we define the currency and exchange rate models. 3. Services/. This will hold the logic for our currency conversions. 4. Controllers/. Controllers to manage user interactions. 5. utils/. Utility classes for shared functionalities. Let's start by creating our currency model. This class will represent each currency and its properties. We'll include attributes like currency code and name. Here's how it looks. Now that we have our currency class, let's create our exchange rate model, which will hold the information for conversion rates between different currencies. With our models in place, it's time to implement some services. Let's create a currency service that will handle our currency-related logic. This service will include methods to retrieve available currencies and fetch exchange rates. Now let's implement the controller. The controller will handle user inputs and display the results to the console. We will create a simple console application that allows users to convert between currencies. To run the application, simply create a main method that instantiates our controller and calls the run method. Now that we have a working console application, let's talk about potential enhancements. In a real-world scenario, we would want to fetch real-time exchange rates from an external API, manage user accounts, and provide a graphical user interface. For fetching real-time exchange rates, we could use REST APIs from services like Open Exchange Rates or Currency Layer. Make sure to handle network exceptions and validate input properly before proceeding. Below, I'll quickly outline how you could integrate an external API for real-time exchange rates. We will add a method in our currency service to fetch exchange rates dynamically. Before we wrap up, let's ensure our application is easy to extend. Consider using design patterns like Strategy or Factory to manage currency conversions. This will allow you to cleanly add new currencies and conversion rules without modifying core code. It's also important to implement error handling to manage user inputs and external API responses gracefully. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful multi-currency exchange platform built in Java. In the next video, we'll enhance this platform by adding a web interface using Spring Boot and modern front-end frameworks. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe to keep up with the latest Java programming tutorials. Comment if you have questions or suggestions for future videos. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.